94% of creative jobs vanishing by 2026. Not speculation, Goldman Sachs data. Right now. 5 tools are doing it. Claude just replaced 47,000 customer service roles at Fortune 500 companies. 1 quarter. That's your job market collapsing in real time. ChatGPT 4.5 handles 89% of copywriting tasks now. Midjourney eliminated 23,000 design positions globally. Your salary is next. Video synthesis. AI replaced entire editing departments at Netflix and Amazon Studios last month. 3.2 billion workers facing displacement. Not tomorrow, this year. Runway and Synthesia control video production now. 1 person does what used to need 12. Adobe Firefly just absorbed half the freelance market. Your phone sits in your pocket. These tools sit in your competitor's hand. They work 24 hours. They don't sleep. They don't ask for raises. They cost $20 monthly. Your job costs your company $60,000 yearly. Do the math. Automation isn't coming. It's here. It's working. It's getting faster. Your industry is next. Your specific role is next. Check your skills against these 5 tools right now. Today, like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.